I wanted you to comment on the behavior of Mayiga.
Yes, Mayiga
is the king.
No, Mayiga is the same boat, but I will explain in the details tomorrow or the other day. Mayiga has a problem. Which problem? Mayiga with the Nabagereka, the Kabaka created this problem himself, like he is a father. The 1995, the 1955 agreement, the Namibia agreement, had reformed the kingdom, like the 1900s agreement. The Kabaka became a constitutional monarchy and the Richuku was electable. Mutesa refused like Mutesa. Mutesa wanted to put the Buganda under his pants. Najuge siyo no Mutesa ya yoga abantu. He led a group of hooligans mu Buganda ngakomyewo. This is why historians are writing that instead of gripping his powers, Mutesa became more powerful. Najuge siyo nanakwana bakaba nina mukamulira yajja kulaba mu lubiri namutwala. A married woman in the church. Even the Anglicans did not condemn the act.
I see.
Ejokuli no Mutesa liyalina kati obate lokutati ngali arrogant. Mutesa was arrogant. He wanted a South that would keep Uganda under dictatorship. He refused all of the 1955 Namirembe Agreement to reform Uganda. A leader can be safe under a democratic system. Mutesa yajigana. Robert akugamba nti if an ancient society is pregnant with the modern society, the only nurse who can deliver the modern society from an ancient is a gun. Yamukuba naduka. Mutesa bamukuba naduka alokansi. Failure yali asomye. Mutesa was informed. Yali mwekeza ne kabaka wa Botswana. Kama only 99% of the people in Botswana belong to one tribe. 95% belong to the Kenyans. Wanu nafuka kabaka ngatabulirwa bamugulira nakano kuulira bamugulira nakano ayagala bitiyo tayagula bitiyo. Kakati Mutesa, the same mistake has been created by Kabaka Mutebi. Museveni restored the regional government that you better abolished. Region atia yava obujozi ngabo maika bwagala okubabo makubu ya bwani. Kakati what Kabaka did, there are two institutions in our constitution: the Kabaka's cultural institution and the regional government that was abolished in 1966. Kabaka Mutebi nga yambibwako ababbi b'amakubu ya bani, shrewd people. Yasalawo adire cultural institution agikozese bino. Naddira amanya amakadde Buganda lukiiko si lukiiko. In 1966 the lukiiko obota abolished had 83 members. The Kabaka had only 3 nominees. The 60 were elected by universal suffrage. The 20 county chiefs that were appointed by the governor in consultation with the Kabaka. Today olukiiko lw'Emmengo lulimu ani omulonde. The Kabaka put us back at medieval ages. Kabaka n'asiima n'ajoga Mayiga n'atwalayo bagirlfriend b'abakazi. In fact mwekamba buulizi, the issue is not Kabaka's health. Ekintu kino Mayiga n'akikwatamu ne Nabagereka as they want to do. Ne bakwata Ssemakokero w'emyaka 5. Mayiga n'atandika okuleeta abakazi baayagala bw'abajja mu mmotoka bw'abajja luddawa. Tukikuba ne tukijjawo.
I see.
If we see an alliance between Mayiga and Nabagereka trying to grab Buganda, nga tukunga abantu. Nga Mayiga adduka nga ne Nabagereka adduka. This is a time when Baganda should think of adapting the regional tier. There was nothing about the regional tier. The word tier is a chamber above. Who brought it, I don't know. Because a charter, why are they scared about the charter? In 1200, in Britain, there was what we call the Magna Charta. Magna Charta is where landlords surrendered some of their powers to the king. So when you mention the charter, I don't know who was creating these words. I think it understood. Scaring abantu. Region what?
Tier.
A tier means a chamber above the other. What Museveni told these people in a meeting of 72 hours was that don't alter the district arrangement, because a region was built on districts. That's why they say any district that wishes to establish a kingdom, to have a traditional leader, are free to do it, as long as they are going to look after him or her. Why? In social development, a king leadership emerges at the surplus level. Saudi Arabian kingdom became at 1933 after the discovery of oil. And she sued Saudi Arabia. So that was one. It was the moment one district decides to recognize a traditional leader, they get it, as long as they will sustain him or her. This is why government contribution to traditional leaders is 5 million, irrespective of who. They don't even in the political arrangement who arrives first and who leaves last. The government was smart on this. Kakati Museveni n'abagamba districts bwe ziyimajinga zekola mu region, and the district of Buganda were deemed to have united. I saw Museveni struggling to talk to MPs in the parliament to pass this bill, this law, into law, creating a Buganda region, to restore the government, because we were saying we don't tax, we don't do all. A regional government was created, but with elected leaders. The Kabaka decided to frustrate this democratic institution, like his father frustrated in 55 to change Uganda, the Namirembe Agreement that was doing the same. The Kabaka became a constitutional monarch and the Katikiro was electable. Anybody who tells you that the Katikiro of Uganda is not electable, now, what are we having today? Mayiga is not a Katikiro of Uganda. He is not elected. Mayiga is a Wolore. He is an assistant of the Kabaka. Because, and let me tell you, these people I laugh at the Makubiyas. Tujja kusiba Makubiyo n'obukoti bwe n'empanga, because these are lawyers. The Constitution of Uganda states clearly that there is no traditional leader who will enjoy, who has powers over the judicial and the political powers comparable those in the hands of an LC chairperson. Traditional leaders don't have political and judicial powers. The Kabaka does not have political and judicial powers in the hands of an LC power. That's why anybody who commits an offense in Rubiri during Yenkuka is taken to Jibuye police, because Mengo does not have the current particular Mulenzi Gwe, Tuli Katikiro, Uyassistant wa Kabaka in an institution which lacks political and judicial powers. Makubuya wasomera bwere. You went to school for nothing. And when you look at Makubuya, you must understand. Teri mwana muto gubatuma Apollo. Except in Gatata we are UPC. After 1966, 2 names were cast in Buganda, Miria and Apollo. I've only had Apollo Sansa, Wakamswaga, who could have been a UPC, and Apollo Makubuya. How can Apollo Makubuya tell the Baganda that is an attorney general? Where did he derive your? They have stated.
Alimu Buganda, attorney general.
Etaina political and judicial powers. How can you call yourself attorney general? Makubuya.
Overshadow attorney general.
Where did you go to school? No, he's not even a shadow.
If the constitution states they have no political power.
An important man claims the Balongo, the Salongo title from his wife.
And he has no capacity. He has no capacity to make peace.
Mayiga no mutwegwe. Mayiga you are not Katikiro. The Katikiro, the last Katikiro of Uganda, Mayanja Nkanja, was elected, competed with the Masembe Kabali, Murira, and others. And the votes are there.
I see.
Who elected Maika?
Tewali.
Yes.
Kabaka ya mwapo inga.
Yes. Maika is a wolole. Baganda tuina matali si tuina ne wolole. Kakati wani yutuka.
Enjawule eriwa.
Matali si ne wolole. Messenger. Uninfluenced. Okay. Maika is an influenced messenger of the Kabaka.
I see.
Because the Katikiro of Uganda is elected.
Mumateka.
Abakopi bayi yes, Matayo Mugwaya lost by 3 votes. All of the subsequent Katikiros after 1955 were elected.
I see.
But assistant Kabaka, Woluli, messengers.
I see.
These are messengers of the Kabaka. Basemugeriri, Bagundi, Bamulika, these are messengers.
I see.
They were messengers, exaggerated messengers. These days, we have polished language. When I'm talking about, I cannot say, when you talk about the toilet, resting room, do you take their mattress and you sleep? Then when you talk about a house girl, no, this is my domestic assistant.
Home manager.
Yes. Kakati, because Mengo does not have legal, judicial and political power, even Buganda Land Board is fake. No kwato Buganda Land Board no mubemiko oboku bimupi wanko. Owa Buganda Land Board no nga azemu maira akenda nga tatayina mu bisatu ya bitano bya no muzingizo boti wa Buganda Land Board no kwata musanje sabalangira musanje ne batemye to kuwa notoria no babulunje empale ne muziba je mu babbi banko mpulira because
tebasaba batu abasiba mu
bindi atewa ngoboku byindi no kwata musanje no mukula mu empale sabalangira no kwata batemye to no bazingiza bulunji nyu no babana bajja mu empale. These are civils of chicken civils.
I see.
Why? The Buganda Chico does not have political and power because Jesus used to resurrect people. I've read about one incident where Saint Peter resurrected a person. But today's priests, popes, are not perform the miracles of Jesus. Jesus went with these powers.
Of course.
You cannot give somebody something you don't have. Likewise, if the Kabaka, under this traditional law, does not have both judicial and political powers, so all of these institutions don't have political. And how can you administer land when you don't have political and judicial?
That's why I was asking.
No kwata musanje sabalangira no bano bajja mwengo no baduka be kutewa kati mbanga babbi banko.
Where do they derive the power
to
issue titles and so on?
Maika nga yeita katikiro no muvumbagira numbemi koje shikatikiro. The katikiro of Buganda is elected.
Nechi ne unyisa mzee amajiga mwege gamukuma.
Anti bado bachifunamu nedda nkubo
beba mukumba bachiba muri recognize.
Maika at one time wondered how a popular president like Museveni would be protected by soldiers. He's doing the same. In Africa, rivalism and prestige. I'm one of the most guarded people. Do you see security around? I'm one of the most guarded people in this country. I have military police, I have the police. My vehicle is monitored by satellite. I have even border raiders. When you see them following me, you cannot understand that these are security people. But do I pose with them? Have you ever seen me with a convoy? Kayihura gave me a convoy.
You even don't have the sirens.
When Kayihura was still Inspector General of Police, he allowed me to move with the jerrycan. Bamulina, General Bamulina, Namugama and Tori Generals and the Philly Maso, and a waffle, and a waffle.
Oile koti yo. Jawulo. Yosale misango.
Nina Commander Funtula. Ba Warandi Forces. Mpenduzo wa Air Force. Bane Mulenzo. Mulenza Joseph. Mulenza Joseph abantu bulenze kuno buniyete ku bantu. Bene mutu sakuzo.
Commander Funtula ate yani.
Commander Funtula wa Air Force. General Funtula. Ye Warandi Forces. Mpenduzo wa Air Force. Ba Bob Joseph ubona yampitembwa mukubene kuyeteka mu kifo cyange na mudusa mukubye nkamutera mukubye mulenzo ichoko lijo naliuna ate singa yanzita singa tayina mwana amuteri ngiyo ate boba buli ntono muzukulu wani ate nokazibo emuli ya mmere bane bakutawanya
tobagamba bwateze nyine mundu beka
bwentabala iraze nebuni nti how can market people be humiliated by this woman?
I'm just wondering.
Akatale bajje anidda bajinka bakubira ebigomwenda mu katale nkakuba ensimbu akakazi kama bakakazi akensimbu ebigomwenda bwekadda nga netumwine mu kuba ebigomwenda simulokole tuwakane netumwine mu kuba ebigomwenda mu kuba ebigomwenda nga bwasituka bwaddawo betumwine ebigomwenda ejogoli mugwemu akakazi ako bwekatakoma kujoga abantu nja kasuula eddala ekyo kyangu nnyo ne kali akasasiro nga netumwine bwali nyinza okuba tumwine ebigomwenda
tuberenga tumaliriza ekitundu kyaffe kino
oba mutuyita bakuzanya
bakamanda baabo
bakamanda bo kasuula eddala munnaku wesi akakati gumi abantu ne kali akasasi naye bwe mwenda yali akubuuza mujja mugende wa mwenda mufune interview mwenda ndaba mu mmotoka ye mwenda ndaba ewaka nga ndi ku TV
yagamba naye abirina yagamba naye yabifuna kati yabifuna
mwenda sees me at home. There is a man chairman waabwe yagamba you man you back in my house. You even see me when I'm making love with my wife. Kati nga mulaba yava ku kitanda ngadda wansi mbusijja mukwata. Come and debage my house. You are stupid. Era ko kamwenda kabagamba. Oyo omusajja talina technology ayina mayembege kakati bagende mubagala bampabire mu kooti I tap into people's telephone kakati mwina teka lya mayembe
mubango bakwasa mayembe
ine teka lya mayembe ye mwenda abagamba there is no person in Africa no Pakistan buyagamba ne uno nanyine nsibu yagamba
aina technology
yafuna jacket abayitiri bamwe jacket lipera ne bamwe motoka lipera ni mukwata kakati ye mwenda as argument yes this man is using his witchcraft. The man is a witch. He uses fetishes to capuchas. Congratulations. Kakati ompabiro tya mukoti amayembe bagawa
yogera kawa bya muteka
kakati amayembe ogenda kwa naye mwenda he sees me at home in his house. He finds me singaba dai n'omukazi yali sanzeko nga tuzanye ekigo tuzanye disco ne muboniriza ddala nategeera nje omanya aba western if you are fighting with the westerners abanyankole and you use legal system tebajimanyi ninkuteera ninkugula tikine ensonga omwestern bw'oba olwana naye nga yakukoze kyakola the best way edogoti n'omulagako n'olaga ku mukono adduka oyo omukoto n'adduka emmotoka neyeefuula ate neddawo neyeboneka mu bbanga n'alyoka adduka ne galubindi tetaddamu kumanyira omwestana ye ali civilized. These westerners, me I sympathize with them, but they were not introduced. The first, I think, boba ina ba missionaries. Aba western bino tebabimanyi nti omuganda tasobola kutira muvubi mu nyanja aganti mukasalaba ono amukuba namutane nuni naje mujjako
kitufu
western muganda cannot atya mukasa muganda cannot extract organs from somebody omuzimu gujja kululuma ono tekirina
ya sala busazi.
Yes. Kakati we have a difference of culture. Westerners era they are westerners in Western Europe. Bote bamanyi bintu bino byaffe. Fa abaganda ate tubimanyi nnyo. People pretend njagala mbagamba. Tono Christmas day. Tugende mu church y'Namirembe. Ne wakayanja mu barokole. Bagamba abasajja nti mujjeko essaati. Atayina musalafu. Olaba abafuluma.
Tebaja
tusoma movement
mpulira
movement yatya anti tujje eno nakano hybrid edini yojije omukazi oyo I'm sending a warning to that woman. If that woman does not stop humiliating Baganda there and other traders, let us search. Tumwina bwatamujjayo. If Tumwina does not prevail over this woman to arrest innocent people, as if Owino is his father's land, I will teach her lesson.
Bwetutyo bwe tumalize ekitundu kyaffe kino tubeebazizza nnyo era mweraba.